Michelle DeVito here with MWR Family Programs with another Make It and Take It simple craft for you to do during this holiday season. For this craft, all you're going to need is a catalog, which we're getting lots of, a stapler, the lid from either a soup or a vegetable can. Be careful because this can be a little bit sharp if you're having children help you. And then some tape. Well, let's get started. To start our project, we're just going to open the catalog, leaving this sheet just the way it is, and then we're just going to fold, crease, all the way through the book. Fold and crease. Each page gets folded, creased, folded, creased, folded, creased. Now, I recommend that you pick a catalog that's got at least 50 pages. Otherwise, your project's not going to be very full. Just fold and crease. Fold and crease. Fold and crease. Now, most catalogs have an insert in them, and this isn't anything that we want. So when you get to this point, you're going to take that out. Just pull it right on out and throw it away. So all the way through the catalog, folding, folding, creasing, folding, creasing. Just keep doing that until you get to the end of the catalog. The entire catalog has been folded, all these interior pages, but we've left the front and the back unfolded. And the reason for that is we're going to fold those in a totally different way. We're going to reverse what we've been doing. So we're going to fold up right to this crease. And then after that's been creased, we're going to fold that in half. Just like this. We're going to do the same thing on the front. We're going to fold that up, crease it, and then we're going to fold it in half again. So, fold it in half, crease, and then fold this half in half again. So now it looks like this when you look down at your magazine. Turn your magazine over to the other side. And now we're going to fold this piece down so that it's even with the top of the magazine. So that part that's hanging over, we're just going to pull it down like that. Then let's do the same thing on the other side. Both of those tabs get tucked down and inside here. So now it looks like this. Before I pick up our project, I want to take this last sheet of paper plus our folded cover, and I'm going to take a stapler and I'm going to staple that. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. We just want one sheet of our catalog pages and the back. Here we go. Slip that in and staple it. When I pick this up, I think you're going to have a really good idea of exactly what it is that we've been making. Let's see. Are you guessing what it is? Well, let's see. So let's just go ahead and finish it up and make sure that it's exactly what we want it to be. In the back here, we're going to need to take a piece or two of tape, or 3, and we're going to put the tape on the tab of our recycled soup can. Then we're going to take our recycled soup can and we're just going to attach it right back here like this on the back of our project. How many of you have guessed what it is? I'm going to And here's our finished product, an angel made out of a catalog and a recycled soup lid. I hope you've had fun and enjoyed this craft, and I hope you look for some of the other crafts we have on the MWR webpage. For all of MWR, happy holidays.